Hello everyone. In the previous video, we had discussed many points and examples about simple present tense. And I had asked you to turn those sentences into simple past tense. I hope all of you have must done this work. Be honest. Be honest. I say be honest. प्रामाणिक राहा. आपल्याशी प्रामाणिक राहा, माझ्याशी प्रामाणिक राहू नका. दिलेलं छोटंसं काम घरी करत चाला. टुडे in this video I am going to touch with present continuous tense. आता इथं प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मी का म्हणतो? काल कंटिन्युअस प्रेझेंट टेन्स म्हणालो, कुणी प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स म्हणेल, कुणी कंटिन्युअस प्रेझेंट टेन्स म्हणेल. हा वादाचा मुद्दा नाही आहे. काही जण असं म्हणण्याची शक्यता आहे की शब्दप्रयोग असा पाहिजे, असं काही नाही. यू कॅन से कंटिन्युअस प्रेझेंट टेन्स ऑर प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, परंतु मी सांगतो तसं लिहायचं. आता राईट नंबर 2 इन मार्जिन and write the name of the tense as I say present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. In bracket, present progressive tense. You must write these words. Present progressive tense. Don't forget to write this and remember this well. Progressive, word progressive. Present progressive tense. Now, in the following line, write down formula. Formula. Most of you know the formula of present continuous tense, but once again I tell you this because there are some new members and they don't know. So everybody will write now. Am oblique is oblique are plus ing. This is the formula of present continuous tense. If you want to learn present continuous tense, you must know the primary auxiliary verbs. याला auxiliary verbs म्हणतात. Which are called auxiliary verbs? Those are the auxiliary verbs which help to form present tense. मग तो प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस असो, पास्ट कंटिन्युअस असो, फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस असो, वी नीड ऑक्झिलियरी verbs. Now you will take down the primary auxiliary verbs. खालच्या ओळीला the primary auxiliary verbs. In bracket, फार सोपा शब्द, helping verbs. आता पहा, तुम्ही एक ब्रॅकेट लिहिल्यावर ऑक्झिलियरीचा अर्थ आपोआप क्लिअर झाला. हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स म्हणजे काय? मदत करणारी क्रियापदे. अपूर्ण काळ तयार करण्यासाठी ही क्रियापदं मदत करतात. याची मदत आपल्याला घ्यावीच लागते. त्याच्या पुढे त्याची यादी घ्या. एम, इज, कॉमा करत चला. एम, इज, आर यांचेच पास्ट टेन्स वॉज, वेअर, has, have, had, shall, will, do, does. Do, does, did. Do, does, did. I repeat. The primary auxiliary verbs किंवा helping verbs am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, shall, will, do, does and did. Remember well, these verbs are very important. Without these verbs, we cannot learn continuous tense. Any progressive tense, we can't learn. Now, we shall see the examples of present continuous tense. Now write down examples. Example number 1. She is cleaning the house. She is cleaning the house. ओके. आता पहा, थोडंसं मराठीत मी सांगतो, तुम्ही भाषांतर तर प्रत्येकाला करणार आहे. ती घर स्वच्छ करत आहे. सी इज द सब्जेक्ट, करेक्ट. इट इज फॉलोड बाय इज. Can you say she am cleaning the house? Can you say she are cleaning the house? Never. You can't say like this. म्हणून she is cleaning the house. ती घर स्वच्छ करत आहे. याचा अर्थ असा आहे, ती या क्षणाला घर स्वच्छ करत आहे. If you go to her and see, you will find that she is cleaning the house. Means in present continuous tense, the action is going on. ती क्रिया चालू असते. त्या क्षणाला चालू असते. When the speaker speaks, the action is going on. त्याच क्षणाला चालू असते. Now underline two verbs, is and cleaning. Is and cleaning. Now you will understand. Now it has become easy. Example number 2. I am telling my sister a story. I am telling my sister a story. बघा, here in this sentence also the action is going on now at this moment. तुम्ही माझे शब्द नीट लक्षात घ्या. नाव म्हणजे आता आणि ॲट दिस मोमेंट म्हणजे या क्षणाला. या क्षणाला कृती चालू आहे. मी माझ्या बहिणीला कथा सांगत आहे. I am telling my sister a story. Which words will you underline? Am and telling. Am and telling. Example number 3. Take down. The coronavirus is spreading. Corona, C-O-R-O-N-A. The coronavirus is spreading very fast. Spreading very fast. तुम्हा सगळ्यांना मराठीत भाषांतर कळतं. कोरोना व्हायरस हा झपाट्याने पसरत आहे. ती क्रिया सध्याही चालू आहे. आपण या क्षणाला बोलतो त्याच वेळेला कोरोना व्हायरस कुठेतरी पसरतो आहे, म्हणजे या क्षणाला ती क्रिया चालू आहे. Which verbs will you underline in this sentence? Is and spreading. See, is there, ing is there. Example number 4. The police guards, G-U-A-R-D-S, are beating, B-E-A-T-I-N-G, the people who are breaking the lockdown. L-O-C-K-D-O-W-N. I repeat, the police guards are beating the people who are breaking the lockdown. Now, This sentence is rather bigger one. There are two parts because there is a subordinate clause in this sentence. Now, in the first part, which words will you underline? Now it has become easy. Are and beating. Are and beating. And in the subordinate clause, you will underline are breaking. Are breaking. Okay? Now come to example number 5. He is taking the bucket of water. He is taking the bucket of water in the house. साधं भाषांतर आहे बघा. मला हे सांगितलं पाहिजे. तो पाण्याची बादली घरात नेत आहे. म्हणजे क्रिया या क्षणाला चालू आहे. Which two words will you underline here? I think I don't need to tell. Is and taking. Underline these two words. Ing is there, is there. Okay. Example number 6. The doctor is checking the patient. The doctor is checking the patient. Is there, checking is there. It is present continuous tense, present progressive tense. Doctor patientला तपासत आहे म्हणजे action is going on. Example number 7. We are playing careful attention. Careful attention. ATTENTION. आम्ही काळजीपूर्वक लक्ष देत आहोत. पण वी नंतर आर येतं. वी नंतर इज घेतो का आपण? डू वी से वी इज? डू वी से वी एम? नेवर. या 5वी 6वीच्या वर्गाच्या गोष्टी आहेत. Which two words will you underline? Are and paying. Is it clear? Example number 8. Rohan and Sunil are playing chess. Rohan and Sunil are playing chess. Now, see, here the subject of the sentence is not only Rohan. Rohan and Sunil means it is in plural. So, it is followed by plural verb are. I repeat, Rohan and Sunil are playing chess. Which two verbs or which two words will you underline in this sentence? Are and playing. Ing is there. Example number 9. What are you doing? What are you doing? Question mark. Because it is an interrogative sentence. The above examples from 1 to 8, these are simple to understand. But if we ask you some interrogative sentences like WH questions and verbal questions, you may get puzzled. But you must pay careful attention here in such types of sentences. I repeat, what are you doing? Now, can you tell me which two words will you underline in this sentence? Quite easy. Are is there, underline are. Doing is there, we added ing to do. So, are and doing, these two words tells us that this is present continuous tense. Last one, number 10. Take down number 10. Are they coming? Are they coming back from Pune? Are they coming back from Pune? Question mark. This sentence is also interrogative sentence because there is a question mark at the end of this sentence. Anybody can understand interrogative sentence. That is a question. But how will you identify that this is also present continuous tense? You must tell me which are the two words in this sentence that decides that this is present continuous tense. Number one, are. First word, are. And coming. We added ing to come. So, these are the 10 examples of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Okay, you should remember well that am, is, are plus ing. What does it mean? What does ing mean? We add ing to the main verb. To the main verb. आपण याला मेन वर्ब म्हणणार, लक्षात घ्या जरा थोडंसं. योग्य ते क्रियापद एम इज आर हे योग्य घेऊन कर्त्यानुसार मूळ क्रियापदाला आपण आयएनजी जोडतो. वी ॲड आयएनजी टू द मेन वर्ब इन सच अ टाइप ऑफ टेन्स. ओके, I think you might have understood each and everything about present continuous tense. But now, like yesterday, if you have paid the careful attention, you can immediately do another tense. Now, all these sentences are in present continuous tense. Can't we change them into past continuous tense? You will have to change only one word in each and every sentence. If you know the present past tense of am, is and are, what is the past tense of am and is? It is was. What is the past tense of are? It is were. Correct? You can now change, you can now transfer all these sentences into past continuous tense. You have understood what I say. मी काही जे बोलतोय ना तुम्हाला ते कळालेलं आहे. So you will do this work at home like yesterday. काल पानं सोडायला लावली डावीकडून डाळ, बरोबर आहे का नाही? आज तुम्ही लिहाल तिथे रेषा मारायची आणि तिथं तुम्ही असं लिहायचं पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. हा आपोआप तुम्ही शिकता. आता मला तिकडे यायचंय, मी उद्या परवा तिकडे येणार आहे, पण आधी तुम्ही करू शकता की नाही मला सांगा? सहज करू शकता. आणि गेल्या वर्षी तुम्हाला मी याच फॅशनने शिकवलेलं आहे. नाव you will write in your notebook past continuous tense and you will transfer, you will change all these examples into past continuous tense. मी कशी होतात कशी होणार आहे तुम्हाला सांगितलंय आणि तुम्हाला बहुतेक 90% स्टुडंट्स आपल्या क्लासचे जे आहेत त्यांना हे माहिती आहे. So this is all about present continuous tense. I think we should stop here. Okay? All right.